Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a tiny exercise for a tiny video. I want to talk about going into the low register step by step. But hey, if this is the first time we meet, my name is Raphael, and on this channel we do a lot of exercises on playing the trombone, the bass trombone, euphonium, brass instruments in general. And I give you tips and strategies to improve your playing. We also play some music. I'm going to post some arrangements very soon. If you'd like to support this channel, I have created a Patreon page, and in exchange I will send you some exercises and some etudes and some pieces and a lot of cool stuff. So I'm linking everything down in the description below. So let's talk about the low register, but briefly, because I've been getting quite a few emails, and 99.9% of those emails are, how can I practice more in my low register? How can I have more low register? I want more low register, low register, low register. I just started playing the trombone, but I'm playing in a big band now and I have to blast those low notes. Well, the truth is there is no shortcuts. There is no secret to playing in the low register. What you have to practice is the kind of exercise I just practiced in the intro of this video, which is like you have one note, a good sound, okay, let's put in half a tone down, okay, and now half a step down, okay, half a step down, okay, half a step down. If this doesn't match the same quality, go back up half a step and do it again. And you have to go gradually and gradually and gradually. You have to have a good technique, a good chop technique, a good embouchure. Like, don't puff your cheeks too much, don't make some crazy movements with, like, you know, those people that go like we talked about it last week in the mouthpiece exercises. And anyway, this is just like a little preview to tell you what we're going to be talking about this week. And this week we are going to talk about range, we're going to talk about sound, we're going to talk about low register, also higher register, and in all forms. And actually maybe it'll take more than a week, because we're going to be talking about going down with flexibilities, with scales, with arpeggios, with thirds and fourths and fifths and different kinds of intervals. We're going to be talking about tonguing, different tonguing. I'm going to show you, I'm going to take my whiteboard, I bought a whiteboard for this, and show you some imagery so that you can really picture what's happening in different kind of articulations. If you're playing legato or marcato or completely slurred or staccato, etc., you know, we're going to practice all these different articulations in range and in practicing your register with it, all this kind of stuff. So if this is interesting to you, please subscribe to this channel. And we're going to be talking about all this week. I'm looking forward to post videos on this subject. It's something that I'm really passionate about, and I really enjoy talking about them. If you want to receive all the exercises in PDF formats, like weekly warm-ups and etudes and all the exercises that I talk about, that I also transpose in every key and throughout the registers, that you can just put it on the stand and just play it, please visit my Patreon page. I'm linking it down below in the description to this video. And yeah, that's it for today. Actually, it's a very short video, but I'm going to post more videos this week. I might even post once a day or once every 2 days. I'm going to post a lot because I want us to really practice on this low register. In the meantime, practice the exercises that we talked about the other day. Please watch again my mouthpiece exercises, especially the one where I was explaining you this little movement to go to the low register, because we're going to go more in depth into that. I'm going to link all the videos in the description to this video also. And yeah, practice your air, practice your mouthpiece the way we said you should. and just practice this tiny exercise that I showed you in the very beginning of this video. So really taking a note where you're comfortable with. If it's not the B flat yet, it's okay. You can go up to the F and go step by step. Same sound. You can record yourself, or you can just close your eyes and you really listen. And if it's not the same quality of sound, go back up half a step, get to that quality, and then go back down and see if it's the same quality of sound. We're very lucky because we're playing the trombone. So what we can do, as opposed to valve players, euphonium players, or tuba players, we can just slide down. So if you're comfortable on a B flat, and you have a relatively good sound on the B flat, just move your slide, put a bit more air, and let's see if we can have this same sound a semitone lower. And then a semitone lower, etc., etc. And when you see that the sound quality is not good, then you go back up. We're gonna make a whole video on that exercise, go more in depth in the next videos. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a taste of what we're gonna be doing this week. Take care, I'll see you in the next video. If you've not subscribed, make sure that you press this little bell so that you know when I post more videos. It's important to look at the videos in some sort of order, because we are going gradually. Now we're really in the foundations of our technique, and we're going to go into more intermediate stuff and more advanced stuff, and then we'll play the Carnival of Venice and crazy stuff. So keep tuned, I'll see you later, take care, ciao.